Great Plains Manufacturing, a Kubota company, was on a mission: cut unplanned downtime, stay ahead of potential failures, and keep production running smoothly. But at two critical facilities, reactive maintenance and delayed repairs made it harder to meet those goals. The team needed a faster, smarter way to spot issues before they escalated. They partnered with Tractian for real-time machine condition monitoring. In just 3 weeks, Great Plains avoided 4 major failures, including mechanical looseness, lubrication problems, and unbalance. The team saw rapid ROI and immediate impact.
For the first time, we can clearly see what's happening on the floor before a failure hits. That kind of visibility is a game changer.
Now, Great Plains is gaining real traction. With real-time alerts, they're not just avoiding failures, they're making smarter moves, faster. The team has greater control, faster decision-making, and a strategic partner to keep pushing reliability forward. Maintenance doesn't have to be a cost center. Try Tractian and see what's possible with the right partner.